European stock markets are set to experience a decline as the reaction from investors follows a notable statement by the Federal Reserve Chair, Jerome Powell, who described equities as fairly highly valued. This observation has raised eyebrows, leading to a cautious outlook among traders and analysts alike. Specifically, the FTSE 100 in London is predicted to open about 0.2% lower, based on forecasts from IG, while Germany's DAX and France's CAC 40 are anticipated to decrease by approximately 0.3% and 0.4% respectively. In Asia overnight, stock prices generally fell, signaling a shift in investor sentiment. Meanwhile, U.S. stock futures remained relatively stable in the early hours of Wednesday. This overall slide in the market can be traced back to Powell's comments on Tuesday, where he indicated that asset prices, particularly equities, are trading at levels that might be seen as inflated. By many measures, equity prices are fairly highly valued, Powell stated, when pressed about how the Federal Reserve views current market pricing. Such remarks are pivotal, as they suggest that the Fed might be wary of rising asset bubbles. But here's where it gets controversial. Many investors believe that a strong economy can support higher valuations. Do you agree or disagree? In a surprising announcement, U.S. President Donald Trump expressed his belief that Ukraine has the potential to reclaim all its territory lost to Russia. This significant shift in stance came during his address at the United Nations General Assembly in New York, where he stated, "I think Ukraine, with the support of the European Union, is in a position to fight and win all of Ukraine back in its original form." He remarked that, with sufficient time and financial backing from Europe and NATO, Ukraine could restore its original borders. During his meeting with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, Trump went further to express support for NATO countries taking defensive actions, such as shooting down any Russian aircraft that infringe upon their airspace. Turning back to Europe, all eyes will be on the IFO Business Climate Index from Germany, set to be released later on Wednesday morning. This data could provide crucial insights into the economic sentiment in one of Europe's largest economies. Additionally, the Swiss Economic Sentiment Index for September is also on the agenda for release during the session. Contributions by Jeff Cox from CNBC.